System software. System software works in the background of the computer, manages the system's hardware, and helps the computer run properly. When operating correctly, the user is unaware of the software. System software is used to manage and control the hardware within the system. It is a set of programs that handles all of the basic internal operations of a computer, and system software provides interaction and control of the computer hardware for the user. There are different categories of system software. Each is responsible for executing a different function of the machine. The three categories that we will discuss are utility software, operating software, and device drivers. Utility software is responsible for diagnostics, maintenance, and security. Utility software helps manage, maintain, and control a computer and supports its infrastructure. Some types of utility software include antivirus, which protects your computer or device from unwelcome software known as malware or viruses. In addition to protecting your computer, it frequently scans the computer to detect viruses and malware. If found, it runs programs to remove the virus or malware. Data backup stores important data in a secondary location in the event that the primary location is damaged or becomes unusable. This software can be scheduled to back up the data on your computer at regular intervals. Firewalls set a boundary between the public internet and private network to protect your computer. Firewalls will be discussed in greater detail in a future unit. Other types of utility software include editors, disk defragmenters, disk cleanup, registry cleaner, scan disk, and firmware. Operating system software is a collection of software that manages computer hardware resources and common services for computer programs. Operating software provides a layer of software between application software and hardware drivers. The operating system in any computing system is critical for a number of reasons. The type of computing system may change some of the overall tasks of its operating system, but overall, the common functions of an operating system are providing the interface between the user and the computer, handling the transfer of programs from memory, organizing the use of memory and processing time between programs, maintaining security and access rights of users, and the operating system also ensures that the computer can carry out many functions at one time. Here is a diagram showing how jobs are sent to the operating system, which then sends them to the CPU for execution. Here are a few more jobs that the operating system software is responsible for: creating an environment that enables multitasking, making the computer more user-friendly, interactive capabilities, enhancing file transfers, making it easy to access folders and files, executing security features, promoting system upgrades, helping manage computer memory, and enabling multiple users to maintain their own environments using separate account logins. There are many operating systems available. Microsoft Windows and Linux are the most commonly used operating systems. Apple devices use a specific operating system called Mac OS. More recently, new operating systems have become popular, including Android and Google's Chrome OS. Device drivers allow the computer to communicate with connected input and output devices. Device drivers link the computer with input and output devices. When purchasing new components, device driver software specific to the component needs to be installed on the computer to help the device function with the computer. This includes devices like printers, keyboards and mice, monitors, scanners, cameras, audio devices, and gaming controllers.